Okay, this is Cogoo CG-65DVD double-in DVD Bluetooth CD USB MP3 player, 6.2-inch LCD touchscreen with USB slot. Okay, got a USB aux input, SD card slot. Okay, a mic input, infrared input, DVD slot. Okay, this is radio display UI. So you can change band, FM3, FM1, FM2, FM3. So each FM you can six frequency. You can save it, choose the frequency you need, then long press and save it. So back to home. So this is main display UI. Get dimmer, 5 level. Okay, home, menu, home. Okay, change background. So you got a 2 background to choose. Okay, USB slot, this CD DVD, a radio, and Bluetooth. You can pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After pairing with your phone, then you can click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Go to setting, system, multi-language, screensaver, can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, video, front camera, you can choose for the second, 5, 10 or 15 seconds, auto front cam. Steering wheel controls. So you have to use your new. So this is resistive touchscreen, so you have to use your new. Color adjust. Can choose for brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness, back to brightness. Press back. Can choose for your CD function, audio language, subtitle menu. Okay, Bluetooth connection, dim level or calibration. This is version 2018. Bluetooth. Okay, example for the Bluetooth. When night time, you can turn off the screen as well. Screensaver. Press any way to turn it on. Okay, wrong press to select date. Then you can choose for the date and time and save it. Equalizer. You can change your equalizer driver. So this is 6.2 inch Bluetooth DVD, CD, USB, MP3, SD card. Okay, LCD touchscreen, 6.2 inch with front camera input, reverse camera input, Bluetooth calling, Bluetooth music, steering wheel control, video input and video output. Okay, so video by OneBiz, www.onebiz.com.my. Thank you.